Nicky! Nicky! It's day 4 in Sri Lanka. I guess this is going to be one video of 7 days for sure. So again, day 4 and it's 5:30 in the evening and such a beautiful weather again. Look at this weather, guys. It's a beautiful weather. I'm going to the arena now. I'm not able to record in the arena because I guess there's so many things that I'm supposed to do at the same time, and also trying to get few things the team wants. So it becomes very hectic. So this is the only time I get to make videos. So I'm going to the arena now. I'm sure I won't be able to record once I reach the arena. So whatever the update it is, I guess I'm going to tell you now. The hotel to arena is only 800 meters. So that doesn't sound much at all, right? It seems like you can walk every day and come back. But the problem is the place that we're living in, the staying in, is kind of on a hilly area, and you have to, go down, take some steep roads, or even take a climb. So something like this, if you see, I don't know what camera is about to show you, but it's completely down. So going down is not a problem, but when you come up, that is when it becomes the problem. Our room is right here, and we have a match at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's exactly 3 o'clock, and it started to drizzle, and I'm sure it's going to rain very badly, because if you see here, the rain is like, the clouds are too dark. The clouds are too dark, and I'm sure it's going to rain like a storm. So again, the problem is we don't know how we are going to go to the arena again. I walked back and came, but again it's going to be bad. Look at this. The weather is looking good, there's no doubt, but the problem is the travel. I'll let you know what we do. I'll let you know what we can do. So for now it's raining a lot.
Hi AB, this is AB, directing the auto driver, where to go. And here is Baby, here is Amar, here is Ashik, Ashik the Christy. So we are heading for the match. Now we have match with Sri Lanka at 4:30 and Singapore at 7:30. Now it's 3:30 in the evening. It's raining heavy rain. You could see, it looks like we are climbing the mountain. This burger always loud.
Finally, after 4 days, I got the chance to sit. I just enjoyed the game, and that's why I got the chance to record the video and show it to you guys also. There's too much noise. I don't know how much you can hear me, but yes. This is how game is. This is how the intensity looks. I don't know how much I can show you, but I'll try as much as possible. But I'll show you 2 or 3 balls. Then you can just go to the Instagram page and watch the whole match, or you can go to the YouTube link also, and you can watch all the matches that you want. There are too many over here. You spotted her? It's a nice snake, da.
Nice snake, huh?
Yeah.
Who is giving you the kid, nice snake?
It's cute,
Brother,
sir.
huh? Who is giving you the kid, right?
Arjun.
Ow.
I don't even know what part of the vlog I'm in actually, but I bought this for now. It's very tasty. This is the second one that I'm eating. I came across a very peaceful location while I was walking, and I thought I have to show this to you. Look at this. This place looks so peaceful, but you have no idea how many snakes are there inside. I just saw at least 3 snakes already here. And not only snakes, there are those monitor lizards, huge monitor lizards already inside. I don't know, camera won't be able to capture it, but if you can see here.
मरना तेरे को डर नहीं लगता? ये नाम लगा के घूम रहा है तू?
That is just a baby. There are huge ones, at least 3.5 feet longer ones are also there. I guess I'll put it up here if I find them. But those were very small ones. But there are huge also, and they're so scary. I guess it's common here, but not for us at least. So not for me. So whenever I look at them, I freak out. I freak out more than I watch snakes because I'm okay watching snakes, but not those lizards, huge lizards. But yeah, nevertheless, we have a match now. So I don't think I'll be able to show you anything with the match. But if I can, I'll put it up. If not, again, do the same drill that I always told you to do. I don't know what time this is. I guess this is day 5 or day 6. I don't know what time this is, or this is I guess day 6, and it's the same vlog. My voice is gone because of screaming, because of the screaming while matches were being played. We have finals today. We got into finals, and my voice is completely gone. So I don't think I can vlog until my voice is fine. But we came here to shop something. We didn't find anything, but we are going to another place. Let's see if we find. And I don't think I can vlog until my voice is fine. My voice is gone. We are looking something that we can buy, but we are not finding anything. Something that we can keep as souvenir, but I don't think we get souvenir in Spa. But still, they're just walking around to see if we find something. But as long as we walk, I think we only find the things that we already find in Bangalore. He wants chiki chiki boom boom. So after beating Singapore and England, India got into the finals of the Asia Cup against Sri Lanka, but unfortunately we lost the finals, and that's the reason I didn't vlog, I didn't record anything from the match because it was very disappointing. This is the only time I'm getting to vlog properly, wearing other clothes rather than the uniform. So yes, we are chilling right now. Amar is also here. You have seen him, but of course I never introduced, but this is my friend Amar, and we played cricket almost together only, and we started together. So yeah, we know each other for more 15 years, and it's our last day in Sri Lanka today. Tomorrow we are leaving. We have a flight at 1 o'clock. So yes, we are just going around in our rickshaw. It's a nice weather outside. It's a beautiful weather outside, so we're just drinking iced coffee, and we're drinking iced coffee and we were chilling. And now we have a closing ceremony because there's a result that happened. India versus Sri Lanka finals. Very disappointing. We lost the match, but we lost the match very badly. So I don't want to talk about it now. At least I'll talk about it later. But yeah, it was a very disappointing loss. That's all I can say. But it's okay. Doesn't matter now. What's over is over. Yeah, it's part of the game, Amar said. So right now that's what. We just went out to buy something. We couldn't find anything. I think we'll buy in airport only. And for now, yeah, just going back to our hotel, and then we'll be going to the place where we have the closing ceremony. about I guess Sri Lanka streets are they're very very clean. If you look here, you don't see garbage or anything as such, and even the gutters are very clean. The waters in the gutter are very clean. So no matter what the state of the country was few months or a couple of years ago, but still they have not lost anything. I'm inside the airport and I'm looking at the shops, the souvenir shops, and there are so many cool things to buy. I just don't know what to buy. So there are so many things like this. And there are stores everywhere. Stores are here, there, and there also, here. So I don't know what to buy because everything looks very cool and every shop has different things. They don't have same things, so that's another problem. But still we are looking if we find something to buy. Finally it's our boarding time and we're waiting here. It's too hot here. Finally it's time to go back to Bangalore now. I guess I was missing home anyway, but my voice is gone. I couldn't do anything about my voice. I have to do something when I reach Bangalore for sure.